And here we got the garden as of June 26th. After all that rain, corn is looking good, onions are looking good, beans are looking good. The radishes and cilantro and lettuce and beets and other miscellaneous are looking really well. Those tomatoes are getting big. Let's check out my zucchini here. Oh, that one. A pretty decent size. That one hasn't really grown that much. But we'll have them picking size here pretty quick. Potatoes. Those peppers I transplanted are doing healthy. They're starting to get bigger. Yeah, let me see. There we go. Got jalapeno there. Got a small one over there getting ready. I'll get a little bit bigger before I pick them. Potato, tomatoes. Got the green tomatoes on there. I did thin these out a bit. Almost thinking I need to thin them out a little bit more. Wow. Because it's getting real thick in there. Let's see where this one's coming from. There we go. Pull that one out. Get rid of that one. And that one. Get rid of that one. There we go. There we go. And there's even a weed to get rid of that. A little bit better. And I do got a green pepper in here somewhere. I found it the other day. There we go. There we go. Right there. And sometimes you have to pick them small. Otherwise they start getting a little discolored. That was probably me from watering on top too much. So I'll have to start watering at the base. Same thing here. Got way too many leaves down here in the middle. I got a lot of green tomatoes. There we go. That's one of those that's got to go. So you just kind of come through and catch on the extra vines that need to be picked every now and then. Something I should have done a little bit sooner. Pumpkin plant's doing well. My peppers, or cucumbers, sorry. So I got some stuff to help them start crawling up. I may have to help them by positioning them until they curl around. But I'll probably do that tomorrow. So there's the garden as of June 26th.